How to fix iPhone not sending SMS to a specific number. Fix 1. Delete and recreate the message thread. Step 1. Open Messages. Find the thread with that contact. Swipe to delete it. Step 2. Close the Messages app. Force quit. Step 3. Reboot your iPhone. Step 4. Open Messages and start a new conversation to that contact. Fix 2. Re-enable iMessage and check Send from address. Step 1. Go to Settings, Messages, toggle on HER. Messages, toggle on, wait settings off, wait 30 seconds, then toggle on. Step 2. Still in Messages, Send and Receive. Ensure your phone number, not just email, is selected under You can be reached by iMessage at and under Start New Conversations from. Fix 3. Confirm recipient, address, entry. Step 1. When composing a new message, manually type or select phone number only. Avoid email addresses. Step 2. Use the Info icon in an existing thread to verify the used address. Fix 4. Check network and app state. Step 1. Make sure you have a live cellular signal for SMS or Wi-Fi cellular data for iMessage. Step 2. Toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then off. Step 3. Force quit the Messages app and relaunch it. Step 4. Reboot the iPhone if needed. Fix 5. Validate contact and label settings. Step 1. Open contacts, delete the problematic contact. Step 2. Enter with correct country code and phone label. Avoid assigning non-mobile labels like work or home. Step 3. Save and start a clean conversation. Fix 6. Reset network settings and carrier updates. Step 1. Go to Settings, General. Transfer or reset iPhone. Reset network settings. Reset network settings will be forgotten. Step 2. Still in Settings. General, About. Allow any displayed carrier settings updates to download, install.